Okay, I'm just showing you a little bit more detail of the buck regulator that I designed and implemented into the 72 Super Beetle of mine. So the shrink wrap here is a high temperature shrink wrap, and it's fairly thick. I made the cutout for the display, and there's a button here that you can press to change the features of the display, the voltage in and out and all that, and then the adjustment for the voltage. If you were to implement one of these into your Super Beetle, you have to set it on a bench and get it adjusted, this voltage on the output, to make sure it's around 6 volts or 5 volts, wherever you want it. But if you just hook it up and try to make it work right away, it'll be set at 12 volts, and that will fry your gauge and your sender. So as you can see, I've got the hot wire coming out here. It's red, and it goes into my little Pico fuse, which is 0.5 amps. And I made a spade lug so it fits right into the Super Beetle's ignition switch wire that comes in. And this is the ground, and you only need one ground, and you hook it onto the speedo. And then this is the output that goes actually to the gauge itself on the input, where the vibrator or the black regulator would be hooked up to. And that's about it. The thing I'm concerned about this design is that if there's moisture and stuff, it can get at the circuit board. I did spray the prototypes that I have running. I've sprayed it with a conformal coating that keeps the moisture off the board, and it does seem to work. I have 4 of these running in the United States on 3 other cars, and they're all working real good. That's after about 2.5 years. So anyway, what I have is 2 more different type of regulators that I'm working with right now, and I'm going to come to a conclusion in the next week or 2 as to which I would recommend. So that concludes this video. Enjoy.